All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy Lensworks here, and as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Today we're gonna do something different that is a little bit outside of my normal stuff I will post on here. I'm gonna show you all how to retouch skin in your portraits really easily, effectively, and most importantly, it's gonna be quick. So the first thing first, we have our portrait. This is a good friend of mine. I did her photo shoot a while back. We are going to duplicate this layer twice. We'll name this one Tones. And we're going to do it again. We're going to layer this one Textures. There we go. Alright, now that we have these duplicated, we are going to zoom in just a bit. Let's go to 65. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to filter, and we're going to go to blur, and we're going to go to Gaussian blur, and we are going to find a nice spot somewhere on the nose. As you can see, let's take it to 0. What we want to do is blur out everything we don't want to show up in our textures layer. Oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna blur out everything that we want to show up. So we're going to blur everything that we want to retain. And I think that right there is good. 6/8 is good. And we're going to hit OK. Then we are going to go to our textures. We are going to go to image. We are going to go to apply image. And we are going to select the tones layer, and we're going to go to subtract. And the numbers that work the best for this are 1/128. And you're gonna hit OK. You are then going to go to you'll make sure the textures layer is selected, and you're going to go to linear light. It should look like nothing has happened to your photo. Now you're going to select the tones layer, and you are going to use the quick selection tool, and you're going to begin drawing an area around the skin like so that you want to fix. And you're going to go to filter, you're going to go to Gaussian blur again, and what you want to do is you want to play with it until the skin starts to smooth out. Now, what you don't want to do is overdo it to where it starts looking really fake and flat. So you want to maintain it to where the skin starts to look really good. And I'm going to say somewhere around here is perfect. It is the look I'm going for. And you're going to keep doing this until the whole photo is finished. And I'm just going to speed past all of this. And we're just gonna do this on the face just to show. You can use this for everything else, for all the other skin. And if you don't like this acne here, right here, just use the healing brush tool and just tone it out. But this is the quick way to do frequency separation. Yes, if you take your time and dial in those settings the correct way, you will get exactly the look that you're looking for. And until next time, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.